Presidential aspirant Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos apologizes for not attending the Commission on Elections preliminary hearing today on the petitions for his disqualification and to delist his name from the roster of presidentiables for the 2022 elections. Marcos is currently in isolation after being exposed to his Chief of Staff, Attorney Vic Rodriguez, and his Chief Security, who both tested positive for COVID-19. Meanwhile, BBM Sara Duterte called the Interagency Task Force for the Management of Emerging Infectious Diseases to issue guidelines for the expansion of home care for COVID-19 patients with mild cases. They made the call amid reports that the healthcare utilization rate in Metro Manila is nearing moderate risk due to the recent increase in COVID-19 cases. According to Uniteam, this will help to unburden the hospitals, especially amid reports that Omicron may be less severe than Delta. They also called on the public to abide health protocols. Today, Manila Mayor Isko Moreno visited the COVID-19 vaccine storage facility in Santa Ana Hospital. He wants to prove that Manila has enough supply of COVID-19 vaccines.
Dumatag sa amin ng tao, mga taga-Manila at taga-Manila. So, I want to reassure the people of Manila na maraming bakuna. Now, we have about 300,000 plus vaccine doses.
Presidential aspirant Senator Panfilo Lacson has tested positive for COVID-19. In a tweet, Lacson said he has already informed those who recently came into contact with about his COVID-19 positive test result. Lacson has been on self-isolation since early this week after he was exposed to his son who tested positive for the virus. Vice President Leni Robredo announced that they will continue their COVID-19 initiatives amid the recent spike of COVID-19 cases in the country.
Gusto ko lang pong sabihin na gaya ng swab cab para sa testing na sinimulan ulit natin, up and running pa rin yung ating Bayanihan e-konsulta. Kung meron tayong nararamdaman at gustong ilapit sa doktor, pwede tayong mag-message sa Facebook page ng Bayanihan e-konsulta para hindi na natin kailangan pumunta pa ng ospital.
She reiterated her call for more medical and non-medical volunteers for the Bayanihan e-Consulta program of the Office of the Vice President. Senator Manny Pacquiao thanked the esports community for answering his plea for help with a donation of at least 200 metric tons of assorted relief goods for Typhoon Odette hit areas. Pacquiao, who recently entered the esports arena, said that the esports community has launched their own Bayanihan Pilipinas QRI donation drive to provide aid for typhoon-affected families. Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.